I have an A32, 128 gig of internal storage. It's dual SIM card, came from Middle East, in Arab Emirate edition, nice and clean. As you can see, trade-in, UAE. Let's unbox this thing and see what's inside. Open sealing tape. Pull the device out. Usual books and shit. If you need to read them, just read them. You don't have anything important in here. Otherwise, get a skin case. You have the device itself. As you can see, pulls the device out. Beautiful mystic black, as I can tell. We do have a wall adapter, and we do have the USB. I guess it's micro USB to USB type C, as I can see. And we do have SIM ejection tool. And let me open the gel skin case and see what are really inside. That's a gel skin case, nothing fancy about it. It gets yellow over time. Let's slap the device on. We already have installed a tempered glass screen protector, so let's slap this on and see the fit. Make it crunch, and here's that crunch. Make it crunch. Beautiful, beautiful. All the buttons are working, and all the cutout for your USB type C charging port and your headphone jack. I repeat, headphone jack, because nowadays cell phone doesn't have this, because it's already dead. By claiming that, it will take and consuming a lot of place in the phone, and we need to use every single place in that phone for your good own. Got it, cut the bullshit. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you in the next one.